Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos. Today's video comes to us from this channel, and it takes us to the state of Virginia. To give some context to this traffic stop, on April 1st, the cameraman and his family showed up to Shenandoah National Park to celebrate a birthday. When they pulled up to the campsite that they reserved, there were coals from a previous fire, and as they were leaving, the man was extinguishing the fire. Ranger Hoyt approached the man and explained to him that there was a fire ban. The man stated that there was no signage posted and that the fire was not originally theirs to begin with. He also stated to her that he was already putting the fire out anyway. Ranger Hoyt then persisted to identify the man and even threatens to tase him. Check out this interaction and pay attention to the demeanor of this tyrannical ranger.
That returns to a...
Copy. Do you have your driver's license to drive your vehicle?
I do.
Okay, can I see that?
No, because I haven't committed a traffic violation.
Okay, so there's no way that you're going to be able to leave this parking lot.
How's that?
She doesn't have a driver's license.
She's not driving, I am.
Okay, then how do you have a driver's license? I need to verify that you can drive.
You don't need to verify that. I've not committed a traffic violation. You can't pull me over. I've also not committed a violation here because on your website where you posted me to go to, I looked at it, said if it's not physically posted, I cannot be held accountable.
You can.
Okay, then you need to correct the website.
It is posted on our website if you look up the super...
But it says if it's not physically posted in the area where you're camping.
Stand at the front of the vehicle.
No.
Stand at the front of the vehicle.
Oh, we'll wait for... Can you get your supervisor?
Stand it.
Do not put your hands on me. Get your supervisor. This right here is assault. That's technically assault.
Stand at the front of the vehicle.
That's technically assault.
Stand at the front of the vehicle now or you're going to get tased.
No, I'm not. You're
going to
get tased. Because I'll take it from you and tase you with it.
Stop.
I don't care. She's the one breaking the law, not me.
Then get in the car and we'll go.
I'm trying. She won't let me.
Give her your right.
I did. That's not what it's about. You don't know what it's about. Get back in your car and leave. You're creating a scene. So was I.
All right, sir. There's a supervisor coming.
Thank you.
Sit here and wait, please.
For no reason. She didn't ask for your ID, did she? No, that's what I'm saying. Neither were we. But she's being a dick to me. She's demanding. No, she's not. Did she ask for your ID? She said, literally, that she's going around asking you guys to put out your fire. That's what she just said. Okay, well, go get the fuck up on out of here. Yeah.
Stop.
I'm here for her safety too.
What are you going to do for her safety? You can't even guarantee your own safety.
Sir, I'm good. He's not worth it.
I
Yeah, I got a supervisor and somebody else.
Trust me, if anything was going to happen, it'd have been done happened. That's not what it's about. It's about my rights being violated. I know my rights. I know them, 100%. You might be okay with it. People violating your rights, but this is how tyranny starts. This is how communism starts. It's exactly how it starts. They start trying to take your rights away for nothing. If you're okay with it, cool. Not me.
Ma'am, if you would like to take the kids to go to the bathroom, you're more than welcome to.
Okay, so then what aren't you understanding about it?
I read a sign when I entered the park and I understood that was when I entered.
Okay.
That's what
Okay. I'm not talking to you.
We're going to take the baby to go to the bathroom.
That's fine.
I'll be right back. Try not to get arrested.
you have the keys.
I hope I do get arrested.
You have the keys.
I don't. Do you have the keys for me?
Yeah, I do. I'll give them to you. You can give them to her. Or I can give them to her. It's up to you.
You can give them to her.
Well, I don't know, because you're acting all nervous there for a minute. I know that people do some weird shit. I'm not one of them.
Okay.
I just want you to know.
Sit at the front of the
I am at the front of the vehicle.
Sit on the front of the
Dude,
vehicle.
why are you being so bossy? Why can't you just be
You're not listening. That's
I don't
why.
have to listen.
You do have to
No,
listen.
you're not the boss of the world. You don't
I
just
am
say.
the boss. Everybody. All right.
I'm not
Turn
doing
around.
anything wrong.
Set this down.
Did you hear this ranger state that she is the boss of everybody? That is the mindset that government officials have, and they think that if you don't bend at the knee when they ask you to, that they can just use force. According to the man in the video, Ranger Hoyt took his phone and turned off the camera and placed him in cuffs. He was released from cuffs after being identified by the ranger, and he was given a ticket for the illegal fire. The fact that Ranger Hoyt limited his First Amendment by turning off his cell phone is a major issue and could be grounds for a lawsuit if this man decides to pursue litigation. He has requested body cam footage of this interaction, and he stated that he would post it when he receives it. I'll leave the phone number to the Shenandoah National Park Rangers below if you would like to leave a call and voice your opinion on the conduct of Ranger Hoyt. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the original channel in the description.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rolling, no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros. Telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even